We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the Gaming Blanket Toys Gifts for Boys, a glow-in-the-dark game controller throw blanket designed for kids aged 1 to 14 years old. This product is marketed as a fun and cozy gift for gaming enthusiasts, combining a unique glow-in-the-dark feature with soft, comfortable fabric. It measures 50 by 60 inches, making it a suitable size for children and teens to use on beds, couches, or during travel. The blanket is made from high-quality polyester fiber, described as super soft, breathable, and lightweight, which appeals to parents and gift buyers looking for comfort and durability. One of the standout features is the glow-in-the-dark design. The blanket must be exposed to bright light or sunlight for at least 30 minutes to activate the glow effect. When charged, it emits a soft light that adds a magical and comforting ambience for children at night without disturbing their sleep. This feature is especially appreciated by parents who want to provide a nightlight effect that is gentle and soothing. However, some users noted that the glow is not as bright as the product images suggest, but it is still visible enough to create a fun and mysterious atmosphere in a dark room. The blanket's design is themed around video games, featuring a game controller pattern that appeals to young gamers. It is available in a modern style with a gray-green color scheme that fits well in gaming rooms or children's bedrooms. The product is promoted as an ideal gift for various occasions, including birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, and other celebrations. It is also suitable as a decorative piece for gamer-themed rooms or parties. In terms of fabric quality and comfort, the blanket is praised for its softness and lightweight warmth. It is not overly thick, making it versatile for use across all seasons. Parents have found it perfect for toddlers and young children, as it provides enough warmth without being heavy or cumbersome. The fine fiber plush flannel fabric is skin-friendly and breathable, which adds to its appeal for sensitive skin. Many reviewers have washed the blanket multiple times with no issues of shrinking, fading, or losing softness, which speaks to its durability and ease of care. The manufacturer recommends machine washing in cold water and drying at low temperatures to maintain the blanket's quality and luminous properties. While the blanket is generally well received, some users mention that it is thinner than expected, which might not satisfy those looking for a very fluffy or heavy blanket. The glow effect, while charming, is subtle and may not be bright enough for those seeking a more pronounced luminous feature. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall feedback highlights satisfaction with the blanket's size, softness, and design. The blanket also holds sentimental value for many families. Several reviews mention how children love to sleep with it every night, finding comfort in the glow and the gaming theme. It has been a hit gift for young boys and girls who are video game fans, and some buyers have purchased multiple blankets for relatives and friends. The product's weight is described as just right for young children, providing a cozy feel without being too heavy. In summary, the Gaming Blanket Toys Gifts for Boys glow-in-the-dark game controller throw is a well-made, soft, and lightweight blanket that offers a unique glow feature and a gaming-themed design. It is suitable for children and teens who love video games and makes a thoughtful gift for various occasions. The blanket's durability, ease of care, and comfortable fabric are strong points, while the glow effect, though not extremely bright, adds a fun and comforting touch. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description to support the channel.